Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses, and I want to take a minute and give you another update on our property that we're wrapping up here pretty quickly. We have got a lot of things going on. As you can see, we have the foundation painted, we have the door painted, the windows have gone in, we have put siding on the garage to match the front, or to match the rest of the house rather. And a lot of stuff going on inside too. So I want to take y'all in and show you what we've done. We're not reinventing the wheel here, but we do a lot of nice things. And show you our new black door. All right, tomorrow the hardwood floor guys are starting, so we had to get everything cleaned up and ready. So they're gonna come in and start sanding in the morning. And as you can see, everything's pretty much been painted. All the electrical devices are in and the lighting is in. The hardwood floor guys are gonna do this in the morning, and we finally got that thing fixed. And as you can see, the house is empty and ready to have the hardwood floors redone. So everything's got cleaned up. This is the master, and then let me show y'all what we did. What we did with the bathroom. We did the 12 by 24 tile. We got everything painted. We've got the shower in place, ready to be trimmed out. We got the toilet sitting there, ready to be put together. We have the 36-inch vanity sitting there, ready to be plumbed. And we have the light right there. And then I don't like the mirror that comes with this. So I like to do a larger mirror, and I'm sure the new owner will thank me. So we do a nice large full width mirror the whole way. So hold on a second. And then I'll show you guys the kitchen, which is pretty much finished except for the plumbing. So we got the floors done. We got the rest of the cabinetry installed. We got the trim, the toe kick, and all the scribes done. Hot water heater does not go there. It's just there because the flooring in the other room where it goes isn't down yet, so they're gonna do that tomorrow. So tile turned out nice. It's a pretty classic kitchen. So the granite is a leather type granite, so it's not the super glossy finish. It's got a nice texture to it. It's really nice. I guess you guys will have to like go and look at it at a store or something, but it's pretty cool. And so I do by now everybody knows I do a single sink. And let's see, we've got our faucet and our garbage disposal sitting there waiting to be installed. And that is our hot water heater, but we can't install that yet because we don't have a floor in here. So this room is pretty much done. Tomorrow they're setting a floor. They're laying just a sheet of vinyl down for this laundry room. And then we'll be able to set the hot water heater, which goes over there. And then the plumber can come in and finish all his work. So we're wrapping this up. This house is starting to look really nice. It's gonna make somebody a very pretty home. And they can make lots of nice memories. So the house is looking really good. I'll show you back here. So the garage, we got the door installed, we got the siding done, and I am not doing anything with the roof. I'll probably clean that crap off of it, but that's it. You know, what can I say, right? You gotta stop somewhere, and that's where I'm choosing to stop. So that's it. Thank you guys for following along on this. And if you like this kind of stuff, let me know. And you know, I think this house is gonna turn out great. So our next video, we'll have the plumbing fixed. The plumbing will be working, the floors will be redone, and we'll just be doing minor trim. And this house will be ready to go to the market after Dealer Design stages it. So this is like, you know, nice windows. I mean, they're done well, right? You know, they see how they do it. Some people put them in wrong and they have that gap right there, but these guys know what they're doing, and they just do a good job. So thank you very much. get ready to move to your nice little neighborhood. All right, y'all have a great day. It's Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses. We do it all the time. And if you have a problem, we can help by buying yours. And if you want a nice house, give us a call because we have plenty of them to put you in. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.